Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play with created fighters in UFC 6. Now before starting our match, you should know the weight class you have created your fighter in, and to check their weight class, go to create fighter in the play menu. Inside, we should be able to find the weight class for the fighter in the bottom left corner. For this fighter, he is in welterweight class, and for this fighter, he is in light heavyweight. Now once you know the weight class, just go back from here and open the fight now option inside play menu. Now while setting up our match, we need to change the weight class option to the weight class our fighter is in. So my created fighter was in welterweight, that's why I need to select welterweight. Then choose your difficulty and start your match. Now choose the corner. After that, we need to press R1 or RB in order to change the category to created fighters like so, and then you should be able to find all of the created fighters in this class. So I want to play as this fighter, I just need to select him, choose the kickboxer, and then you can ready and start the match with your created fighter. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.